7ab and 9c negative 4. So what we have to do, 7, negative 9, they can both stay. But since this has a negative power, c negative 4, I have to move it up. And what I can do to make it even simpler is I don't have to include the negative sign in the fraction and put it in front. So I'm going to do this, 7a, b, c, positive 4, since it was negative down there, but since it moved up here, it's positive. So now it's 9, only 9. So the answer is 7ab c power 4, negative 7ab c power of 4 over 9. So now, next one, negative 5 and negative 2, 10p, negative 3. So I'm going to start by marking by what who's gonna move and who's gonna stay. So 5 stay, 10 stay, and negative 2 move, p negative 3 move. So negative fraction 5, 10, and 2, p 3. This is what it looked like. So next, number 12, 4ab negative 2 negative 3c2. So numbers don't move, they can stay, but if these have negative powers, move it. So stay, 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 move, move. So at first I'm going to move this negative sign. Negative 4a c2 3b2. Number 13. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing. So it's 1 over negative x negative 4 over x2. I'm going to put this here. So to do this one, I'm going to have to do 1 over negative x negative 4 over x squared and 2, since we're moving it down, equals to 1 over, this is going to turn positive, so x negative 8 over x4 equals, I can go from here down here, so this can go down here, it's plus, so 1 over, so here is plus, so x12. At negative x negative square, negative 3. So first step, 1 over negative x negative square, okay, and 3x2 So we have 1 over this, 3 positive because it's moved down, and this is additional. Since it's free, you have to like still keep the negative sign, because when it's square, it's two negatives, which means a positive. But when it's free, there's two like the negative times negative is positive, but there's one more negative, so then it'll turn negative. So that means it'll be 1 over negative x negative 6 over 3 x 6 equals, I'm going to switch this down, then we add it. So then when you move it down, then the 1 is going to be up here since there's nothing up there. So then, but the 1 up here is going to have the negative sign. And it could just put it here, but I'm just going to leave it up there. But I'm just going to put it here. It's easy to understand. So it's 1 over 3x 12 since I moved this here. And then I have to make it equal to, I have to times this on both sides, up here and up here. So 3x 12 and 3x 12. Remember this here, and cross cross equals 3x 12 minus over 1 equals negative 3x 12. Number 15, negative 5x3 yz. So I'm going to start off with 1 negative here and 5x. So I have to 5x over, I'm going to make this bigger, 3yz and 3 equals negative 1 over, so x, so 5x 3 and 3, 5, so 5, 25 times 3, 75. I've done this before. And 9, wait, 3, so 20, 3, 9 times 3, 27. Y 3, Z 3. So I'm going to show this by multiplying 27y3 and z3 up here and down here, so I can flip it up. So I multiplied it, so that means 27y3 z3 over 5x3. So now that there's just one small thing to add, the negative sign. Since that was negative, this has to be negative.